Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a secret affiliate marketing strategy which lot of affiliate gurus are using, but they are not interested in showing you this strategy. But I'm gonna reveal to you this really interesting strategy, okay? And you can really make money with this strategy. But this is a little bit of a long-term strategy. I cannot say that you will start making money just after watching this video. It will take some time, but still you can make it work and you can really get great results with this strategy. And this is really something very practical and very interesting, and this is something which I need to show on this channel. And that's why let's get started and let me show you how you are gonna promote an affiliate product really very easily and make a ton of money out of it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to go to clickbank and find a particular product. Now for now, keto products are in a law on a trend. Okay, most of the keto products are trending because of this current situation which is going on in this world, and due to that lot of people are at their home and they are thinking of eating some healthy foods and all that stuff so that they can remain healthy. And that's where our opportunity comes, and we can use this opportunity to make some great money. Okay, so we are going to promote this particular product which is known as keto resources. Okay, so now we are going to use this product. Okay, so now the first thing you need to do is you need to know about the affiliate resources of this product. So when you click on over here, you can see that you can find this affiliate page of keto resources where you can find all the tools. Okay, these tools you can use to promote, and you can see that there is an article on this product. Okay, so now we are gonna use this article. Okay, we are not gonna copy this article, just we are going to use this article as a reference. Okay, so we are just going to refer this article and see what is this product about, how this product works and all that stuff. Okay, so that's the first thing which we need to understand about this product, okay, which is keto diets. Okay, and that's something which is really important. Okay, so now let's get into work and let me show you something which is really extremely and really over the crowded. Okay, so let's go for article and now let's go for keywords. Okay, so you can see there is an entire keyword package. Okay, so you can also download this keyword package. Okay, but for now and for this purposes of this video, let's go and let me show you the tool which we are gonna use. And this tool is which is really the best tool which I have ever found, and the best thing is that it's free. So the tool is called Uber Suggest. Okay, this suggests you keywords. Okay, it gives you keyword suggestions, it gives you its competition, it gives you its paid difficulty of ranking as well as SEO difficulty. Okay, so I just searched the keyword keto diet and let's check out the suggestions. Okay, so just click on the suggestions and you can see all the suggestions are given to me. But what type of suggestions we require? Okay, so we are going to write an article on this product, so we require some of the keywords, and the keywords which have really low SEO difficulty. So this is SEO difficulty. Okay, so we want some products with very low SEO difficulty which is less than 20. Okay, just keep in mind that the keywords with which has a SEO difficulty less than 20 are really easy to rank for. Okay, so it won't be a much hassle in ranking for those keywords. Okay, so just go and just let's find out some of the keywords. Okay, so this keyword can be a good one, keto diet what to eat. Okay, and it has a search volume of 18,000. Okay, now but let's find something which is even better than that. Okay, so you can see this one, it has got almost 10,000 searches. Okay, keto diet side effects, so you can write an article on this particular thing. Okay, now many of the people will be saying that I don't know how to write an article. Just search this keyword on Google. You may find a lot of articles which are related to it. All you need to do is read that article, understand the concept, what is there in that article, and then write down that article or rewrite that article in your own words. That's the only thing, and that's the only way how all these people are doing blogging. Okay, That's the key to blogging. Okay, you will start writing. Okay, just you only require some practice, and you can definitely start doing this and make a lot of money. Okay, so you can see that now this is one of the really very great keyword on which you can rank. Okay, so this one you just have to accept it. Okay, so just place this in a notepad, just open your notepad and copy this keyword. Okay, now let's go further down. Okay, the only thing which you need to keep in mind is that search volume should be at least 500. Okay, and you can target that keyword. Now the another keyword, and that is keto diet before and after. And you can see the SEO difficulty of this keyword is only 7. Yes, just 7. All you need to do is write an article on this, and it would be super duper easy for you to rank for this keyword. Okay, so now let's copy this keyword, Control C. Okay, and then let's search it on Google. Okay, Control V. Okay, and enter. So see, you can see over here, I have typed this keyword over here, and you can see that there are almost very less articles related to this. Okay, and these are not even any websites. Okay, so you can see that there are a lot less competition for this. Okay, so if you can just write an article about this which is 200 words, which is 2000 words long, there is the awesome chance for you to rank number 1 on this keyword. Okay, you will rank number 1 on this keyword in 2 to 3 weeks. All you need to do is write a 2000 word article keeping this title and using this keyword. Okay, so this is something which is really insane because it has so less competition, and that's the thing which we are targeting in this video. Okay, now let me show you some other keywords. Okay, so you have just researched this keyword. Okay, let me show you one more keyword, and this can be also a good one: keto diet versus paleo. Okay, so it has also a really less competition. Okay, so now let's search this keyword. Okay, so keto diet versus paleo. Oh, let's once again, keto diet versus paleo. All you need to do is click Control C and go to Google and just paste it. Okay, you just have to click on Control V, and that's it, and the magic happens. Now this magic has happened, and now let me show you the website which is ranking for this. Okay, so this website is ranking for this keyword, and you can see that it is merely a 500 word article and not bigger than that. Okay, maybe it may be 600 to 700 words, but that's not more than that. So if you come up with the article which is 1500 to 2000 words long on this particular keyword, you are gonna rank number 1 on this, and that's something which is really powerful, and this can get you some real organic Google search traffic. And most of the people in the affiliate marketing industry know that the Google search traffic is the most targeted, and the affiliates who are making money with Google search trafficking are making the most money. Okay, so that's the thing which you need to understand, and that's why you need to work. Okay, so this is one of the really insanely easy keyword for you to rank for. Okay, so in this way you can find a ton of keywords on this website. So this can be also good: keto diet and alcohol. Okay, so this can also be good. It's just 14 keyword difficulty, that is keto diet wiki. Okay, then you can just find all these keywords. This can be also good one: keto diet and cholesterol. So all these keywords can make you a lot of money, because no one is just writing too many articles on these keywords, and they are very easy to rank for. So is why keto diet is bad? Okay, so all this stuff is really easy, and you can rank for this stuff. Now I'm not gonna say that you have to invest money and write articles for this stuff. Okay, you can just use a free website. Okay, I'm gonna show you a really interesting free website. Okay, so where you can make this type of free websites. To make this type of free websites, you just have to use sites.google.com. Now, why you have to use sites.google.com? Because sites.google.com is a product of Google. Okay, and that's the reason why if you are hosting your site on this, okay, sites.google.com, the authority of your website would be very high. And I know that sites.google.com, the website which are made on this platform, which is sites.google.com, rank really well, rank really good, rank really high. Okay, so if you are just writing 2000 words articles on just 20 of these keywords, if you really manage to do that, then you are definitely going to make $1,000 every single month passively coming to you, as long as your website gets Google's traffic. Okay, so that's one of the greatest thing which can happen to you, because this is the best which can happen to anyone. All they need to do is put in some work. Okay, so writing an article is not that difficult as creating a video, because in videos you have to create, you have to record yourself, you have to speak, you have to write a script, you just have to do all the editing. That's no hassle. Okay, that's no hassle, anyone can write. Almost 95% of the audience who is watching my this video are able to write articles. Okay, I can write. Okay, and if you don't have any idea on how to write articles, just go and search for articles which are related to keto diet. Just learn about keto diet, what is keto diet, how to use that, and how people are losing weight with keto diet and all that stuff. Gain some knowledge. Okay, it may take some time, but this time is worth it, and this time is really gonna make you money. So invest some of your time in this stuff, and you can really start making some awesome money with these websites, doing this very simple SEO articles that can really make you a ton of money in 2020. So if you got some real value out of this video, just press the like button under this video, as well as the subscribe button under this video and the bell icon, so that I get motivated. One subscription equals to one motivation. So the more subscribers I get, the more motivation I get, and the more awesome videos I will produce for you, in which I will teach you all the secret strategies of affiliate gurus which they are using, but still they are not teaching. And you can really start making a ton of money doing this very simple easy things, and this can make you a lot of money in 2020. So just press the like button as well as the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.